Hi everyone, I am Kyle. I am glad you joined me today. I am going to be going over the structures of the eukaryotic cell. The nucleus regulates and holds the cell's DNA and gene expression. The nucleus stores DNA and produces RNA. The nucleolus is the cell's headquarters. It manages DNA and chromosomes. These control all cellular functions. Chromatin is composed of DNA and proteins, mostly histones, that form chromosomes. Watch how the DNA strands wrap around the histones. The Golgi apparatus changes, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids, transporting them throughout the cell or for secretion. Golgi vesicles function primarily in the sorting and transport of proteins and lipids within the cell. The cytoplasm has water, salts, and other organic molecules and is responsible for protein synthesis, glycolysis, and signal transduction. Vacuoles are found in eukaryotic cells, and their function is to store water and nutrients. Peroxisome is found in eukaryotic cells. They regulate biochemical pathways that involve oxidation. Secretory vesicles are small, membrane-enclosed sacs that store and transport substances between cells. Secretory vesicles process proteins for export and are made from the endoplasmic reticulum apparatus. Secretory vesicles transport hormones or waste products by exocytosis, which occurs outside the cell. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is found in eukaryotic cells. Its function is to detoxify the cell and to make lipids. Lysosome is found in eukaryotic cells. Its function is to remove unwanted material and waste. Microfilaments are polymers of the protein actin that makes up the cell's cytoskeleton. Microfilaments play a role in cytokinesis, amoeboid movement, and changes in cell shape. Microfilaments' functions also include endocytosis, exocytosis, cell contractility, and mechanical stability. The centrosome is essential for organizing microtubules in the cell and is a component of the cytoskeleton. Eukaryotic cells have two centrioles arranged at 90 degrees to one another, encircled by pericentriolar material. The centrosome duplicates during cell division and moves to opposite sides of the cell, separating chromosomes. Microtubules are hollow tubes that hold the cell's shape, cell division, and provide routes for intracellular transport. Plasma membrane is located in the exterior of the cell and has a permeable barrier consisting of a phospholipid bilayer with immersed proteins. They are self-replicating, with their own genomes, ribosomes, and proteins crucial for cell divisions. Intermediate filaments are a part of the cytoskeleton, supporting and securing the nucleus and organelles in place. Ribosomes are found in all cells, and their primary functions are to make proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum is a part of the eukaryotic cell and makes proteins for the endomembrane system. Bye everyone, I am glad you joined me today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the eukaryotic cell. Bye!